The 2026 Toyota Camper Motorhome arrives as a bold reimagining of what a travel rig can be, blending Toyota's rugged engineering with smart living capabilities designed for long adventure journeys. Metalandtubeindustries.com. From the moment you see it, the exterior shows a purposeful, expedition-ready design that balances durability with aerodynamic touches to improve road manners and fuel efficiency. CRR News. Reinforced bumpers, skid plates, and weather-resistant body panels give this camper a tough look that suggests it's built not just for highways but for far-flung destinations. Balloony. Toyota's attention to off-road readiness is evident in the suspension upgrades, beefy all-terrain wheels, and chassis reinforcements that allow confident travel over rough ground, gravel roads, and trails that would intimidate lesser rigs. CRR News. The motorhome's drivetrain options give buyers flexibility, with turbo diesel and hybrid powertrains balancing torque, efficiency, and reliability for different travel priorities. Citizeninf.in. Under typical conditions, the hybrid variant is engineered to offer smooth acceleration and better highway mileage, making long hauls less taxing on the fuel budget. Citizeninf.in. The diesel powertrain boosts low-end torque, a welcome trait when hauling heavy gear or climbing steep grades in remote terrain. Citizeninf.in. Handling stays composed even when the motorhome is fully loaded, with Toyota's chassis tuning minimizing body roll and maintaining stability across diverse surfaces. Indiaka India. Inside, space is used intelligently to create a livable environment that feels bigger than its footprint thanks to smart layouts and clever modularity. Metalandtubeindustries.com. The main living area includes convertible seating that adapts into sleeping space, and thoughtful storage keeps travel gear secured and organized on the move. CRR News. Natural light floods the interior via panoramic windows and strategically placed skylights, giving the camper a bright, airy feel rare in compact motorhomes. Heat School. A compact yet functional kitchenette lets occupants prepare meals without leaving camp, with space for a refrigerator, induction cooktop, sink, and pantry storage. Heat School. The inclusion of a modern bathroom or wet bath option adds comfort for longer trips, eliminating the need for constant reliance on external facilities. Heat School. Interior finishes mix durable materials with refined touches like ambient lighting and wood accent trim that elevate the sense of quality. CRR News. Climate control systems maintain comfortable temperatures in both cabin and camper areas, an important feature for extreme environments. Balloony. Roof-mounted solar panels and a high-capacity battery bank let users run appliances, lights, and electronics off-grid for extended periods. Heat School. Water storage tanks with filtration and efficient plumbing let travelers stay self-sufficient for days at a time, further enhancing independence. Heat School. Tech integration is strong, with large touchscreen infotainment, smartphone connectivity, and navigation systems that support off-grid mapping and route planning.